Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw a straight dash line in Photoshop. Okay. Open your Photoshop, create a new file, go to pen tool. I use this pen tool. Use another tool for dash line, but perfectly use the pen tool. Okay. Select shape, fill, no fill, and select your color. Okay, then select edit the dash line. Okay, align middle, press enter and click any start space, hold shift and press another to automatically straight line. Again, oh sorry, another layer, hold shift, press hold shift, resize. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.